Floors are all done. As you can see, we painted all the cracks. We're gonna be putting vinyl, and then the corners, those recesses are gonna be white lines instead of black lines like I have on mine. Let's start wrapping. We got a little bit of COVID on my friend's boat. I moved everything to our boat, cleared out the aft cabin on starboard side. These are the panels I took off. I stopped doing lamination on the floors, obviously, and then for now I'm gonna be wrapping white vinyl all the cabinet doors in the salon, in the galley. And I also brought the vinyl. I took out all the doors that I could take, and I also made a cutting list of all the panel that I'm gonna need. And what's nice is also on our boat, I could use my galley and salon because we removed all the table. And when I rebuilt the cabinets, I actually cut out this section because the galley used to be in a U. So now we got this nice big open space. Very easy to measure everything out and cut the panels.
Okay, we've got Louie installing the cabinet covers.
Right there.
Looking fresh.
There you go.
Look at that. You fell down.
I'm sleeping, I'm resting.
Taking a little snooze.
Just resting.
Oh, yes. You guys' shirts match again.
I got it.
What? They have matching shirts.
Matchy.
Turns out there will be a part 3 to this because we're going to be cutting the nav station in half, and also going to be removing all the wood around the perimeter of the salon windows. So like and subscribe to see the rest of it.